Hi everybody, and let's to continue work without Microsoft Excel course. And let's talk today about such formulas as summarization and AUTOSUM. For example, you want to do a little summarization. You have several ways to do it. First of all, certainly you could do it by your manual way, like is the most obvious way, which you already know. It's like plus plus plus. But this way is not flexible. For example, when you insert some column and you put some information, as you see, summarization, this here we have the same amount, the same value. But we could fix this very easily. For example, you have this command equal s, you need summarization. Then you should choose your first number, hold, and move. Then press enter. Okay, and as you see, if for example you insert some new column and put new value, you have here a new information. So look, we just do summarization of all of this column. Okay, this formula is called summarization. Where do you could find these formulas? You should go formulas. Then you go to a math, sum, summarization. Also, we could do another way, like you select the cell where you want to have your volume and click AUTOSUM. And AUTOSUM automatically find all numbers, but anyway you could correct it. For example, yes, you want to add some information here. You just press, hold, and that's all. Let's do it one more time. Equal. Also, it's not necessary. Select and AUTOSUM. Then click here. You could go there. You could. So any type what do you want. So remember, summarization, formula, math, sum, AUTOSUM, or you could just do it like this. Equal. Start to write s, and just that's your command. Okay, I could explain you how does this formula work. Let's press symbol equal. Then let's type summarization, open common, and let's write address of the first cell which we want to summarize. For example, this could be D1. Then you have option. If you want to do summarization from whole row or whole column, you should choose this symbol. In this case, for example, you will write F1. But also, you could choose this symbol. And in this case, you could write the new information. For example, you want to do summarization of all of this part, but also you want to summarize D7. So do you see? When you put this symbol, every time you have single meaning, single value. Do you remember? So this is single. For example, we want to add one more single value like F8. But then you want add like several values. For example, all G column. In this case, you should write G, shift, comma, down. Yeah, so do you see we have the whole hour column. If you want to add whole column or whole row, you should use a command like this, just name GG. For example, you want to choose the whole row. In this case, we put this symbol and we put, for example, we need third, 3, 3. Do you see? We have the whole row. So this is address of this row. Okay, so that's how does this function work. You could summarize single values, you could summarize several group of single values, you could summarize the whole column, you could summarize the whole row. It is a very easy. Thank you so much. Use this.